But now you know that I'm moving. Today is part one of the moving vlogs, which will include a new place tour. So sister's here, she's in town. She's waiting for me, sorry, I'm choking. It's windy out here, you guys. And so we're going to the new place. Since we were heading over, I was like, we might as well bring a few things. Carla is waiting for me in the street, so let's go join her. So yeah, we're gonna run a few errands. I'm gonna show her the place and show you the place at the same time. So it's kind of like new place tour for you and sister. I love it.
Wow.
You likey?
I love.
Front tour. Welcome to my home. This is a closet. Oh, I almost tried to turn it out, but I thought it was locked. So this one I'm gonna put my coats. We did bring a few with us to put in there. So this is gonna be like coats and like, what do you call it? Most used shoes and whatnot. And then this is the living room. 2, 3, 64, baby. So yeah, this is the living room. And I am obsessed. So off the living room is this set of French doors, which are so sweet. I just love it. And this is gonna be my office slash filming room slash studio. Know what I'm saying? Wow, the voice is echoing. It's really empty in here. Here there is a washer and dryer. It's like a weird place for it, but I don't care. As long as we have one, you know what I'm saying?
Well, if this is going to be the office and filming area,
Yeah.
you might as well have some clean laundry as well.
This gives like kind of another cool view of the living room. And then the pièce de résistance. I don't know if it's locked, hold on. The yard, I die. I moved to California for a yard like this. I do like that there's like a chair and stuff here, but I'm gonna change it. I want like a cooler one. I almost think a day bed would be really sick right here. Yeah.
This is so cute.
Okay, the other side of the house, there's more. These built-ins are so sick. It's
Oh, lots
just,
of
like,
storage space.
So much storage. Extra beauty products and
Because you have thousands.
whatnot. Extra shoes. I feel like luggage can go in here if I needed it to. Extra kitchen stuff.
Yep.
This way is
Cleaning.
the kitchen. Nice and big. This window like breaks my heart. This picture window is just so cute and sweet, and I'm obsessed. And then these fun cabinets, they're so retro. Look it. Cute. Cabinets, dishwasher. I'm very tired of washing dishes, so I'm very excited about the dishwasher. And then through here, 2 bedrooms. This one's gonna be mine because I'm obsessed with this like window. It's just perfect, like the trees, and then there's all this like amazing storage space. I feel like I'm gonna put like my dresser here and the round mirror, and then my bed under this window.
Yay, window. What's this? Oh, closet
Closets.
space. Oh, sliding door. Okay.
This is the second room. This room to me is like the best light in the house. It's crazy bright, but it's also diffused. So I would use this as a guest room, but also use this other wall as another filming space for like beauty stuff maybe. So I put my vanity that I have in my current room here. I was thinking put like a full-size bed right here, and then the vanity right over there. And lastly, down this little hall, this is the bathroom, which is not big, but it's big enough. You know you do there, you know you do there, you know you do here. I also probably gonna get the bent shower rod. And I think I would also place it like way higher. It's low, I feel like I'll smash my head on that.
Yeah.
I'm tall. It's in like a dumb place.
Oh, yeah, we're tall. Oh,
Yeah.
it's more than enough room.
I love it. I love it. I love it. This is really good room for the office, just because keeping the bedrooms back there.
Yeah.
This, you can still see outside, feel like you're outside, or actually be outside. It's so good.
I'm obsessed.
So good.
You've been so long since we've been at Target together.
Oh my goodness, yes.
She's shopping already. What you got there?
Because I appreciate Target.
Yes, the
Honor
Black History moment.
Month.
Yes,
With
Ida,
some
my
awesome women.
Fannie Lou, Harriet, and Sojourner. Yeah, these are cute.
Get your life.
Did y'all know that Idlewild, wow, I'm tripping. Did y'all know that Wild Fable has $3 camis up to 4X? Ah, these are cute. These are like cute fake going out tops. Like you wear this and you put a moto jacket over it and like black jeans and like a heel. You look, it's basic, but like you look cute. You know what I mean?
Real cute.
For
They really are
$3.
$3.
Do we need one? I need clothes like I need a hole in my head. Lego. Forgot what I need, sister. She's got the list.
Let's pull up our list. And let's also check Cartwheel.
Oh yes, must check cartwheel.
Kelly's list. Oh, my hands. My list is lotion.
Ashy.
Microwave, I don't know if you want to get that from here, though.
No.
Ceiling fan, no. Shower caddy. You can also look at, what's the name next door?
Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah.
Curve shower rack. Alright, so kitchen bags, laundry detergent, toilet paper, paper towels, dish liquid.
All right. Every toddler needs a grown-up in their life to keep them under control.
It's because I'm better at organization.
Yeah. Libra.
It's okay.
We love it. I'm just a wild, savage Sagittarius.
Yeah, you just be out here.
Whatever. Right now, my friends, we are price comparing because there is a Bed Bath & Beyond right next door. So we're checking out the best deal on microwaves. Thrilling content. This is the stuff you signed up for. I know.
Target vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Well, welcome to the vlog. Hey, Christine. Now we're all together. Hello, everyone. Obviously, we're thriving. Progress has been made. I got a microwave in my cart. I got some detergent. I got some TP. And now we're looking at shower caddies. Because I used to have a window in my shower where I could put all my stuff. But now I need like storage. Carla's lying already. You see this, y'all, right? You see this? You know what this is. This is a bath mat. So Apartment Therapy was in my apartment filming, and they threw the bath mat into the shower, just getting out of the way for the photo. So yesterday she tells me, we're gonna go get you a bath mat. And I was like, what bath mat? I don't need a bath mat. She's like, that bath mat you have in there is not right. She took a shower, y'all, with the carpet. And it's sopping wet. Carla, face Christine this way.
Hold on, I gotta turn you around.
No. I just want to see her. Christine, she showered with a carpet. She showered with a carpet. And then
there is, you said what, fast?
Savage.
No, there's a perfectly fine explanation.
no, nothing explains showering with a carpet.
Because we know sister doesn't like to fall. She doesn't like slippery things. I thought maybe the bath mat had gotten old. She threw it out and just put that one in there as a temporary quick whatever.
This is the exact rug. So I have this in black. On what planet does someone shower with this under their feet?
All I knew is that today we were getting her a bath mat. A proper bath mat.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and a shower, no shower thing. Was the shower thing underneath?
No, nothing was underneath because I'm a grown up and I didn't have anything there. She just showered with a carpet.
Listen, I just thought they was doing things differently out here in LA.
You gotta at least get like a no-slip thing for the shower. But maybe she thought you were being super feng shui.
Shut up.
Let this go down in history. She stood on this and showered.
I thought you were...
The end.
And I don't know what they do out here in LA. She might have lost all her home training and had...
I didn't lose my home training.
All I knew is that it was on the top of the list of things to do for today.
I didn't lose my home training. Last day with Sissy. Don't leave me. Guys, make her move to California. Leave a comment below if she should move her life just because I'm here. We are downtown LA. I'm literally never down here. But last weekend my friends went to brunch and I missed it because I didn't see the text because I went to bed at 8 p.m. But they went to brunch here and so I want to try it. And Karla was like, I want to go to brunch today. So we're off to explore a new brunch spot. We will show you what the what. You guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you've missed some really prime Sockgate updates. You have. So I made a highlight so you can catch up. The highlight is literally just for you guys because, you know Sockgate better than my Instagram family. If you're a dual family, Instagram and YouTube, then you are fully tuned in and in the loop. But go ahead and check it out. Watch your girl thrive and become a sock lord. We're in. It's really cute. I'm gonna give you a sneaky peek because I'm not gonna like walk around touring the restaurant, but I just wanted to show you some chairs I like. There they are. Those are cute. That's the vibe. Big like open kitchen bar thing. Seaster thriving. Marble table. And then these cute like purple banquettes. It's cute. And an almond milk latte, but I said oat milk, so hopefully it's oat. Food's here. We got the scramble and I got it with avocado. And this is their pancake. It's kind of unreal. Karla got the scramble also. Ready to eat?
Yes, ma'am.
It's really bright, but I'm really excited because we left brunch and we came to Bed Bath & Beyond because we had coupons, because the coupon queen,
You gotta have coupons.
she trained me to save my Bed Bath & Beyond coupons that come because they don't expire. All of you know this, but y'all know I'm not the best at this kind of stuff. New Yorker just living like a wild maniac. So, we saved $25 and it's basically like I got my hangers for free. So, thriving.
I love to save money.
And did you see how many coupons I had stacked up? Like, what were your
you
thoughts?
have some left over.
I know. What were your thoughts when I pulled out my coupons? Like when I was like, hey, here's how many I have.
My thoughts were, good job, Karla. You trained her well.
Wow. So you centered yourself in my progress. Got it.